In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Peter Griffin in Infinite Craft. So to start with, you want to go ahead and get water and combine that with water to make lake. From there, we can combine lake and earth to make swamp, and we can then combine swamp and earth, which will give us mud. From there, we can combine mud and swamp, and that will actually give us quagmire. From there, we can put that to one side, and we want to combine water with fire. That will then give us steam, and we can then put steam with steam, which will give us cloud. And we can then put cloud with cloud, which will actually give us rain. From there, we can combine rain with rain, which will give us rainbow. And we can then put rainbow with mud, which will actually give us pig. We can then put fire with fire to get volcano. And then we can put volcano with pig to get bacon. We then want to put bacon with volcano, which will give us baconator. And now in order to craft Peter Griffin, we can combine baconator and quagmire. And we've now got Peter Griffin. So that's how you can make Peter Griffin in Infinite Craft. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.